Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a short clip. Today's video we're going to be sharing with you guys the part that I'm upgrading into the 1jz vvti. As you guys know, I have a 240sx S13 with a 1jz vvti on it. Alright, so I got something here that I really want to share with you guys. I bought it last Friday and it came in 4 days. Impressive. I was expecting this by next week. I do want to do another event at Club Luz, but since I have this problem well, it's not a problem. Since I need to upgrade this part into my car, I don't think I'll be able to do it. So I really want to finish the drift season with another 2 or 3 events. But since I have to upgrade so many parts into the car, I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. You know why? Because I'm the type of person who like to do things right. So yes, this is the part that I was expecting for next week. It's already here. Now this is not a turbo, guys. Nice box, right? Psych. So, alright. I already opened it, you know, I already know what it is. So, you guys want to see it? You guys don't want to see it. Alright, here we go. I think it's heavy. Alright. Oop! Alright, you guys already saw it, so whatever. So, this is the crank pulley. Yes, guys, this is the crank pulley. And this is a upgraded crank pulley for the 1jz vvti. I could have just gotten another OEM one. But guess what? You know the OEM one have the ugly rubber that it holds the crank pulley and the dampener around it. To be honest, I don't want to pull out the motor twice. I just want to do it once, do it right, and call it. It's not mean that the OEM crank pulley is bad. If you guys have ever read the JZX100 service manual, it said right there, the crank pulley have to be serviced at every 60,000 kilometers, which is 40,000 miles. So pretty much my motor, I think I have over 40,000 miles. So I don't know how much mileage it came from Japan though, but I'm pretty sure that my motor has over like 40 or 50,000 miles. So I decided to get it upgraded crank pulley. Now I read a lot of good reviews about this crank pulley. Beside this one, there's the ATI one as well. So now what made me go with this one? As you guys know, I like it simple and easy. I don't like too much bolt-on stuff. It's a headache. Time to open the magic box. I already opened it in the bottom. I was too curious, guys. This thing is heavy. Now we're talking about quality versus quantity. I like that a lot. So it came wrapped up with a foam support. Very nice. Inside the box, we're gonna have some. Oh, actually, this thing is SFI certified. I don't know what is that stand for, but I'm gonna be doing a research on it. We got some installation instructions, with stickers. There is actually a business card with the telephone numbers and you know, manufacturer date and all that. It's pretty cool. Nice, very nice. And here's the masterpiece, guys. Ta-da! Now, I'm gonna put the part on the link in the descriptions. If you guys feel like upgrading. Now, this is the thing, guys. I should have done this when I got my motor. But No, I wasn't the budget and all that. The OEM one was still really good. It lasted me about a year or two drifting. I think it's a lot. Now I don't daily my car every day, so that makes the big difference. But hey, you guys know I just send it on the track, you know, like red line all the time, you know. First, second, third, red line all the way. So I think it lasted pretty long. Now, here we got the, you know, the timing, how do you call that? The timing degrees, or yeah, I think it's the timing degree. All right, it's very nice. This thing is very heavy. I think it's twice the weight of the OEM one, and the OEM one is a lot thinner, I believe. Very nice. Damper, I mean fluid damper, made in the USA. Banging. Here's the part numbers. A40801. Now this one fit the 1jz and also fit the 2jz. Highly recommended. Very nice product. Now I was explaining to you guys that there's another option. There's the ATI one, the make also aftermarket upgraded pulleys. But like I just said, I don't like bolt-on stuff. And also I like it easy and simple. You know, the other one I saw, it was about the same price, but it was just too much into it. That one I have to service every 200 miles, I think. I read, I don't know, man. It's just too complicated. This, you just dump it in, you call it for the day, and you're good. Alright, so you guys saw the pulley. This thing is nice. I can't wait to put this on, man. Alright, so let's talk about the other parts. As you guys know, I mentioned that I'm going to be upgrading turbo. And this is what I'm looking at. Now this is pretty much a plug and play turbo. This is, you know, is direct bolt on to the stock turbo manifold. You know, pretty simple, plug and play, good looking. And this is the Tomei turbo. This is the Tomei Arms M1880, a direct fit for the 1jz vvti. You know, plug and play. Like I said, I want to keep the motor as stock as possible. Nothing really crazy. I'm not really on doing any other crazy fabrication beside the cage and the front end. You know, I don't want to go anything crazy. I think this is a pretty good turbo. There's a lot of good reviews on it about this turbo. You know, let's go onto the 1J. Of course, there's a lot of options out there, but like I said, I just wanted to keep it simple. Now another reason that I didn't want to go top mount, that's right, top mount, is because I don't want to spend another $600-700 or maybe $1,000, you know, to upgrade to the turbo manifold. You know, I want to keep it as simple as possible, you know, until it breaks or blow up the motor. Like I said, I'll probably upgrade another one, but for now we're gonna keep it as it is. Now for injectors, I was looking to these injectors. These are SARD fuel injector set, 550cc. This is direct fit for the 1jz vvti as well. Now these are plug and play, right? As you guys can read over here, these are compatible with the Mark II, right? With the JZX110, and also Chaser Cresta for the JCX100, which is the motor that I have. Now you can get this on right-hand Japan.com. Like I said, the more simple, is better. You know, these are plug and play. You know, take out the old ones, put the new ones on, call it for the day. You don't have to worry about anything. Now the price is about 55,000 yens, and exchange to a US dollar is about close to, I think it's about close to 500 bucks. To be honest, you know, you could just, you know, get our, there's so many options out there, but I just don't want to go ratchet. Sometimes you gotta spend your money to play, you know. and I'd rather do it right and, you know, save me a lot of headache and problems. So that's pretty much for the turbo and a few injectors options. I did a lot of research around, you know, but like I said, I don't want to go anything crazy. I just want something as stock as possible. Like pretty much everything that I have picked is plug and play, is a direct fit into the motor. Another thing that I really want to upgrade is the ECU. Now I'm looking into a AEM standalone, and also there is another ECU company that is called what is this, ECU Master. I mean, there is a lot of companies around, but I gotta do some more research around, because I don't know, to be honest, I don't know about tuning, and I don't know about, you know, software, and I'm pretty, like you guys know that I'm really bad with electricals. So pretty much now we're just waiting on the turbo and the injectors to arrive. I'm gonna do an unboxing on that, and that's gonna be sick. Hopefully by this week we're gonna start pulling everything out, you know, the whole front end, pull the motor, you know, do the clutch, and then after that we're gonna put the motor on the side. We're gonna do the whole engine bay, or vice versa, you know, either way we're gonna go that way anyway. So that's pretty much for the video, guys. I was just very excited, and I wanted to share with you guys the part that I just received today, and also the parts that I'm getting. I can't wait until the turbo gets here. I mean, they say 2 to 3 weeks, could be sooner or could be later, you know, you never know. But I'm definitely doing a review of the turbo. I want to have the turbo in my hand. I want to look at it, you know, it's nice. For now, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that all the information they're helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Send me a PM or anything. I'm pretty sure I would answer right away. But yeah, follow, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.